Yo, peace everybody, what's going on? Happy Wednesday. So now as we all know, it's the third day of technically the first week of January. Now, if you've been following along, I've given you tips on how to manage your time. But let's just be real about it. The majority of you guys need help, right? The majority of you guys need help setting your calendar, setting your discipline together, putting a plan together because let's keep it real. A lot of you guys have never done it. A lot of you guys don't know where to even start, and that's okay. I didn't know where to start at one point as well. That's the reason I am here. Okay, to help you, to guide you, to teach you how to better to manage your time, right? And to how to allocate your time into the four F's, right? Faith, fitness, finance, and family, which we talk about all the time. And it's very important. It's like, for example, right now I just finished working out based on what I had to do today. So, as we all know, well, if you don't know, I always take care of my faith first. That's the number one thing I always take care of in the day, no matter what. That's the most important thing. The next thing I take care of, which is throughout the day, is my finances. Okay, just because that's what we have to do. We have to go out and work. Scripture says, we can't be sluggards. We have to put, our hands to the plow. The third thing that I focus on is, my fitness. All right, and the fourth is my family, which is I'm about to go do now. Once I, get to the house, I'm focusing on my family, the things I need to do with the family. Again, I do wake up every single day at 3:30 in the morning, so that allows me to do everything that I need to do. Now, you guys notice that the order is different as opposed to the way I teach it, and it's just because the way my life is set up is I have to focus on faith, finance, fitness, and family, which we all know is faith, fitness, finance, family, and that's a different order. Again, that's another thing that you have to learn, the order of the four F's, which is very, very important because that's going to allow you to maximize on every single thing of your life, okay, which is the four F's. Guys, please get with me. It's time. It's still young. It's still January. I know a lot of you guys are still lethargic. I know a lot of you guys are still in the holiday season. Guess what? It's time to put in the work. You put in the sleep already. We already, rested, ate, spent time with the family, had days off. It's over. All right. So go ahead, guys. DM me, send me a message. Let's get together. I'll invite you to my private Zoom, and let's make it happen, guys. It's already Wednesday, hump day. We already know. Look, tomorrow's Thursday, and it's gonna be Friday. Then the first week of January is gone. Then now the cycle continues because there's a lot of you guys that haven't even started or kept what you said you were going to do. With that being said, guys, have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.